only I could stop the tears. If only I could stop the fear. If only you could sit by me, just as it used to be. The sound of your voice was like a song. I could feel nothing could go wrong. The sound of your voice. The sound of your voice. Couldn't you stay a little longer? Couldn't you fight a little stronger? Was life so weary? Was it so hard? Were you so tired, my dear old dad? The sound of your voice was like a song. I could feel nothing could go wrong. The sound of your voice. The sound of your voice. I take my son and look for Teddy, like a grown-up child without a daddy. Joining my hands, trying to pray, remembering what you used to say. The sound of your voice was like a song. I could feel nothing could go wrong. The sound of your voice. The sound of your voice. Oh God, I had for bloody Friday. Feel like a leaf on a stormy day. Since you left me and found a way to leave hell and get away. I could feel nothing could go wrong. The sound of your voice. The sound of your voice.